Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Welcome back to the Rose YouTube channel. Today we have a customer who's booked his car in for an exhaust noise. Let's get the car in, come with me, let's see what's going on. So as you can see, we've got the car up on the ramp. What we're going to do is have a look around the exhaust system, see what's going on. So if you come over here, wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. And it's on both sides, you can see over here. Look at that. I can get my finger in there. Wow, I've never seen this on a Porsche, let alone just an all make, but I've never seen this before. This is phenomenal. And if we have a look over here as well, I'll point over here, you'll see over here, these are the exhaust flange fixings. Wow-wee. That's amazing. As you can see over here, if you come over look over here, somebody's tried to do a temporary repair at some stage. But yeah, this is so bad. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. So anyway, customer definitely needs a new exhaust. We've got the perfect exhaust for him. So let's fit that and let's get it done. Right, so our technician Cliff over here has fitted the exhaust. If you want to come over here and have a look, it's all nice and shiny. It's a full catback system. If you have a look over here, you can see we've got some vacuum hoses. So this is a Valvetronic system, so you can switch the sports exhaust sound off. It is still sport here though, even when the valves are switched off. However, it's a lovely sport sound, much better than the stock sound. Thank you for watching the Rose YouTube channel. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and we'll see you on the next video.